Hello all, welcome back to Kalam IS Academy. This is Priyanka Mahapatra, faculty at Kalam IS for Essay. In today's discussion, we would see that how UPSC has repeated itself in this year essay paper. First, we'll see the trend. Trend of asking questions in the essay paper has been very interesting. In the year 2021-22, the dominance was towards the philosophical topics, but now the balance has been seen in a very clear way. Okay, in 2023, we got exactly four topics from the philosophical topics and we got four topics from the expository or GS based topics. Similar trend is been followed in the year 2024 as well. So when we see the question paper, we will realize that these are the four philosophical topics equally divided in the sections. Okay, and these are the four expository topics or GS based topics, again equally divided in both the sections. So, coming to the philosophical topics, the first topic is the empires of the future will be the empires of the mind. Second topic, there is no path to happiness, happiness is the path. Third topic, all ideas having large consequences are always simple. Fourth topic, the cost of being wrong is less than the cost of doing nothing. Again, coming to the GS based topics about forest. The first topic was about forest. Forest precedes civilizations and deserts follow them. Second topic, the doubter is a true man of science. Third topic is about social media, where the topic is social media is triggering fear of missing out amongst the youth, precipitating depression and loneliness. Fourth topic, nearly all men can stand adversity, but to test the character, give him power. Okay, so these are the four topics in each of the themes of UPSC essay. But this time you would realize that the philosophical topic and the GS based topics are equally divided under each section. Under section A, we have two philosophical topics and two GS based topics. Under section B, it is in the similar way. But in the previous year, 2023, in the section A, we had all the four topics as philosophical topics. And in section B, all the four topics were GS based topics. But in this year, it has been maintained. The ratio has been maintained equally in all the sections. I mean, the two sections of the question paper. Okay, so now we will realize that how all the 50% of the questions in the essay paper was from the PYQ. Okay, again to emphasize that the role of PYQs has been very dominant in our essay preparation and it will always remain dominant in our essay preparation. Okay, so let's see how 50% of the questions were from PYQs. So what more you can ask from UPSC? Okay, coming to the first question. When the topic was about forest and it was in section A, and already in 2022 we had a question on forest. The forests are the best case studies of for economic excellence. Again in the section A, we had another topic on PYQ. There is no path to happiness, happiness is the path. Similar theme was there in 2017. Joy is the simplest form of gratitude. Then in section B, you can see the topic on social media is inspired from 2017 topic social media is inherently a selfish medium. So here you can see that how 2017 topic is a more broad topic where it is asking that how social media is inherently a selfish medium and a very specific theme or specific thing on this selfish medium has been asked this year. So when you are prepared for this very topic, then automatically you are prepared for this topic. Understood? Then in section B, another question was inspired from a PYQ where the keyword has been simple and already a topic on simplicity has appeared in UPSC just 4 years back. Sorry. Okay, in the year 2020. So here 50% of the questions are asked from the PYQs. So you cannot stress enough, okay, on the role of PYQs in your essay writing. Okay, and interestingly, they are the PYQs of last 5 years only. Okay, you do not have to go to 30 years, 20 years to prepare. Okay, so here PYQs have played and always play a very important role in your essay preparation. And we have emphasized this fact in our test series programs, in our essay modules, in our workshops. You can see that how these topics are made to practice to us to our students in various programs of essay. Okay, we have also covered them deliberately in our test series all the year round, so that all the important pyqs are not missed out and you are adequately getting prepared for the exam. You can see that in the pyqs exclusive test series we had covered joy, again we had covered simplicity. Okay, and these PYQs are also covered in a very elaborate manner in the PYQ booklet of Kalamais. You can get access of that from the office. And the model answers of these PYQs can really help you understand the structure and framework of the answers. You can prepare from beforehand all the content of the important themes of UPSC, and the model answers can really help you to value add your already built content on essay in terms of examples, in terms of quotations, in terms of arguments, in terms of alternate viewpoints or counter arguments of the essay. So you will not take much of your time to build the structure or framework in the actual examination, and your mind will be at peace and you can write the best of essays. Here you can see the model answer given. The model answer has the structure in the first part. So when you are aware of the structure already, when you are aware of the counter argument already, then what more you can ask for in your preparation? So this overview of this model answer could have really helped you generate ideas, generate your arguments, generate your counter arguments, your examples in a very fast way without any wastage of time, because you're already in a stress like environment. So familiarity of questions can really help you in that stress kind of environment like exam. Okay, we had also covered social media in our test series of 2024. Okay, then coming to our test series program, yes, we had got two direct questions this year from our test series program. You can see the topic 6. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but to test the character, give him power. We had given this topic in our test series of 2024. And you can see the model answer, how the framework could have helped you. Coming to the content of the model answer, yes, we had given a lot of relevant quotations for this particular topic. We had given the anecdote, we had given both the negative and positive examples for the topic. Okay, so this way, if you're familiar with a topic, then it's easy to generate ideas there. So it is told that you practice enough before going to the exam. Again, we were very sure of the important themes that could come in the UPSC anytime. That is why we had given this power and character thing in different forms in our different test series. Okay, then coming to the eighth topic, this eighth topic was also repeated. Okay, this eighth topic was asked in a different form in our test series. You can see that how the cost, the topic 8 of 2024, the cost of being worse is less than the cost of doing nothing. The similar topic was there in our mock test series. Okay, the world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. So it means all the same. Okay, the wordings are different, but the theme is same. Okay, so the model answer of this particular topic could have helped you. This had appeared in our test series, as I already told you. Okay, some relevant quotations you could have got hold of. Then the content of the essay. Okay, you can see the content. Okay, in our MIB material also, we had directly covered this very topic. Okay, we had a poem on this very topic. You can see it in the screenshot attached. Okay, how some popular examples, some good anecdotes from mythology, from history, they were given in our MIB booklet. So if you would have gone through this booklet, then the content for this essay could have been very, very easy for you. Okay, then in our workshop also we covered a very similar topic. All it takes for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. So that means the significance of action versus significance of inaction. When we are doing nothing, then the evil will triumph, the evil will perpetuate. Okay, so that's how we had covered the broad themes of UPSC here and there all across the year, so that our students are better prepared for this exam. So to reiterate or to re-emphasize upon the must-dos of this exam, first is that you should be identifying the important themes of UPSC. You should not undermine the role of PYQs in your exam preparation, in your essay preparation, just like your GS preparation. In GS preparation, you're already aware that how the PYQs, themes, syllabus points have been repeating again and again. In this year also it has repeated. For essay also, you can prepare in a better way by going through the PYQs. And here our MIB booklet, our PYQ booklet, our test series can be really helpful for you. Okay, coming to the content part, yes, these material, that is PYQ booklet, MIB booklet, our test series, model answers can be a very good source for content building, for value addition in terms of quotations, movie references, poems, unique examples, etc., which is required for writing a better essay than others. Okay, then you should make sure that you prepare a good quality content on these themes. Okay, in terms of everything which I just said, in terms of quotations, in terms of movie references, poems, so you are better prepared for this exam. Okay, based on themes of UPSC. Okay, and keep your ethics paper very, very strong, because this paper will definitely help you to give a value perspective, to give an ethical perspective to your essay, which is very, very important. Then coming to the evaluation part, yes, you have to go through a thorough evaluation so that you know where you're going wrong, so that your hiccups are addressed at the right time. Till the time you write your exam next year, you would have uh, addressed all your hiccups when you are going through a thorough evaluation, when you are dedicating certain time towards essay preparation. Okay, so we have our exclusive PYQ based test series. Again, we'll be having our test series in the month of October. You can take help of those programs in order to build your content, in order to prepare well for this exam. Okay, because here the main USP is that you will be given a face to face evaluation for every test you write. Okay, and in front of the evaluator, you will come to know that where you are facing a problem in your essay writing, and you will be gradually followed up to correct or to amend your skills of essay writing, and towards the end, towards the D-Day, you will be at a good place in terms of essay writing, right? So again, to re-emphasize, importance of PYQs should be kept in your mind. Then about the PYQs test series which we are conducting, okay, please take part in it and write essays on PYQs and get it evaluated. Okay, and very, very important is history repeats itself. First as tragedy, second as farce, which was asked in 2021. Yes, no wonder UPSC is again and again proving this quotation. So when you know that already a PYQ, already a question has been asked on a theme, and you're still not prepared on it, then you are committing the most serious blunder in this world. Okay, the most serious crime in this world. That is why, knowingly, if you're committing the same mistake again and again, then it will be a mockery of yourself. So please be prepared for everything, keeping the UPSC essay themes in mind. Okay, and please contact us if in any case you need any help regarding the essay preparation. You can contact in the office for all the details, and we have shown you that how the PYQs and how our test series have played a important role in our students' essay preparation. Okay, all the very best. Thank you so much.